welcome back. This is Patricia Regier. Just going to show you a quick design here. I want to create a social media post, and I have a couple of videos I just took. Not the best quality because I was recording with my phone and it was recording the computer screen. So with the, I think it's the frame rate and things like that, it's not the best quality, but I still want to use these tiny little videos that I created, but I want them to look a lot better. So for a social media post, a lot of times I pick the Instagram size. I'm going to go to Elements and I'm going to go to Frames. Let's see here. Maybe pick the computer, and I'm gonna double the page here. So with the first one, with my uploads, going to insert that into the computer. Time to update again. And then the second one, and going to add here Zoom icon, or and then let's see what they have for update. Sometimes I'm able to take one of these and change the color, because that's not necessarily the look I want. I'll take this, use one of my brand colors. And I could bring that down a little bit. Could change Zoom's color too if I wanted. And could grab one of my logos. Just move it under there. Might want to change some of the colors to stand out a little bit more, depending on if I'm going to use a background color or not, or leave it white. Maybe I want to again grab some branding colors and do the same then for this. I can duplicate what I've created already and just bring it down here and duplicate that. And then okay. So sometimes when you're moving around images, it can replace what you've inserted into this frame. And I can then download it as a video, grabbing both pages. Or I can also even directly schedule it right now. And let's pick 10 a.m. next. Pick a channel. I'm going to start with Instagram. Time to update your Zoom again. Update Zoom. can leave it at that. I'll copy it so I can use it again in a moment. Schedule that. And then you'll see in a moment after it has posted that in the content calendar or planner, I could go to that, or I can make a copy right away and schedule it to another location. So 09, 10, next, pick Facebook. This is why I copied that. Schedule post. And we'll do it again. So I hope this quick little tutorial with Canva and what you can quickly do is helpful to you. My name is Patricia Regier with Regier Educational Services. Definitely check out the other videos that we have here with tutorials about Canva as well. And thanks for checking this out today.